Hi, my name is Savannah, and welcome to Savannah's Creativity Corner. And today will be not unboxing, fizzing out of Ryan's mystery splasher thing. And I'm going to open it right now. Now, here we go. Alright, woo. Now that's really powdery. Oh, powder. Alright, I'll just place it in the bowl. Whoa! That was a big fizz. Yeah. Alright, now, whoa. Alright, there's a little capsule. And, dry my hands off and the splasher. And now, I'll open it. Huh, it's Ryan, cool. Here we go, now, open. Open. Good. Now, here's Ryan. Aw. Look. So adorable. This is cute. And he'll stay in the capsule. Now, that's all for today. And I'll see you later. Bye. Not bye yet. Bye.